Hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make a virtual friend, who will talk to you in just 4 lines of Python code. For that you need a Python module called pyttxt. So I'll just open the official page. So pyttxt means like Python text to speech, and this is version 3. So how you can install it? You can just run this command pip install pyttxt. I'll just copy it and open my command prompt and paste this command. Just watch carefully. Pip install pyttxt and press enter. So it's saying requirement already satisfied. That means I have already installed. So if you have not installed, it will just install here on your PC. So after that, I'm using VS Code here. You can use any code editor you have. So I'll just make a file first. Let's name it intro.py. So exactly I'll write 4 lines of code. 4 lines of code. On first line, I'll just import the module. I'll import the module. Let's make it bigger so all you can see. Put the module. Next, I'll just initialize the module. You can name your friend anything. I'll just name it. Let's see, Excel. pyttxt. That's how you initialize the assistant or friend or whatever. I'll just take a variable name which name is Excel, and then I'm gonna type what I want it to say. Excel dot say, and here you have to put what you want your friend to say, like hello. I'll put my name. Your virtual friend, and next comment is Excel dot run and wait. So that's it, only 4 lines of code, and when you run it, I'll just give the high speaker so everyone can hear. So I'll just gonna run it.
Hello Arji, I'm Axel, your virtual friend.
So you see how it works. It's only 4 lines of code and you already done it. So here you can explore what things you want to do. Here in the official page, you're gonna find lots of stuff you can do by it on the official documentation, and you can also copy any text from web or your favorite file or PDF, whatever you want, and you can use file handling to pass the text here. Like if I make another variable like the text and pass the text here, it's gonna work same. So instead of
Hello,
that,
Arji.
you can
I'm Axel, your virtual friend.
Instead of that, you can use file handling to read the text from any text file and read it using this pyttxt. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and you can explore on your own from official documentation. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.